Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Morning English Talk. I'm Emma, your English teacher. Today we're going to learn simple and useful English words, greetings, numbers, days of the week, common objects, food, drinks, and daily activities. Are you ready?
Yes, Emma, I'm ready to learn.
Great, Leo. And to everyone listening, speak slowly, listen carefully, and repeat after us. Let's begin. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Wonderful. Remember, we say good morning before noon, good afternoon after lunch, and good evening at night. Let's practice again, together. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Excellent. Leo, how do you usually greet your friends in the morning?
I say, good morning, my friend.
Perfect. That's a great start. Now let's learn numbers. Counting is very important in English. Let's start with 1 to 10. Listen and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, Leo. Let's do it again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Leo, what is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7. It's lucky.
Nice. 7 is a lucky number for many people. Listeners, what's your favorite number? Say it out loud now. Now let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days. Listen and repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wonderful. Let's say them again a little faster. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Excellent. Now, Leo, what's your favorite day?
Friday, because the weekend starts soon.
I think everyone loves Friday. Listeners, repeat. My favorite day is Friday. Good. Now say your real favorite day. Let's look around and learn some common objects. These are things you see every day. Listen and repeat. Book, pen, table, chair, phone, bag, key.
Book, pen, table, chair, phone, bag, key.
Great pronunciation. Let's try short sentences now. This is a book. That is a pen. The phone is on the table.
This is a chair. That is my bag. The key is on the desk.
Excellent. Repeat after us, listeners. This is a book. That is a pen. The phone is on the table. Perfect. Let's move on to food and drinks. These are fun and easy to remember. Listen carefully. Apple, bread, rice, coffee, tea, water, juice.
Apple, bread, rice, coffee, tea, water, juice.
Wonderful! Now let's make short sentences. I drink coffee. I eat bread. I like apples.
I drink water. I eat rice. I like juice.
Excellent. Listeners, say it with us. I drink coffee. I eat bread. I like apples. Very good. Leo, what do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee. Always coffee.
Same here. Coffee gives us energy to learn English. Now let's talk about daily activities, the things we do every day. Listen carefully and repeat. Wake up, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, study English, go home, sleep.
Wake up. Brush my teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Study English. Go home. Sleep.
Excellent. Let's build small sentences. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I go home. I sleep.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I go home. I sleep.
Great job. Leo, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7, and I eat breakfast at 8.
Good. And what time do you go to sleep?
Around 10 o'clock at night.
Perfect. That's a healthy routine. Let's review everything we learned today. Repeat after us. Greetings. Hello. Good morning. Goodbye. Numbers 1 to 10. Days Monday to Sunday. Objects book, pen, chair, table. Food apple, bread, coffee. Activities wake up, eat, sleep.
Hello. Good morning. Goodbye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Book, pen, chair, table, apple, bread. Wake up, eat, sleep.
Excellent review, Leo. Listeners, repeat with us again, slowly and clearly. Hello. Good morning. Goodbye. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday. Book, pen, coffee, bread. Wake up, sleep.
Hello. Good morning. Goodbye. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday. Book, pen, coffee, bread. Wake up, sleep.
You did a wonderful job today, Leo, and everyone listening too. How do you feel after your first English lesson?
I feel great. I learned many new words today. Thank you, Emma.
You're very welcome, Leo. Remember, learning English is like morning exercise. Do it every day, little by little, and you'll grow strong in the language. To everyone listening, practice today's words when you wake up, when you eat, and when you talk to friends.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Yes, thank you for joining us on Morning English Talk. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.